Buhari and his family will be on fire the day the eye of the North is open. Uchechi tell Nigerians. Nigerians are confident the people in the North will soon deal with President Muhammad Buhari and his family for the atrocious lifestyle he has subjected them to over the years. According to an Instagram user who made this wide claim, President is a son of the North, but has done little or nothing to better his own people. He said that they live in horrifying conditions, that is, there is no proper education system, food, water, etc. in the North. The man raised these concerns after a video of NSAS protesters gifting money to a group of people who live under a bridge. Thank you for listening to this news. And that is the truth of my viewers. So let us not underrate what has just been revealed right now. That is just the humble truth. Right now, the Northerners are still blind. The Northerners are still very much blind and confused. They don't know where they are. They don't know where they stand. They are still looking. They are still confused. Look at it. If you want to know that the North is still blind, despite all this that we are passing through, the Northerners are still supporting President Muhammad Buhari. Are they supposed to? Are they not supposed to know that the president is against them? Are they not supposed to know that the president doesn't have any good plan for them? Are they not supposed to see the secret of the president? You can see, this is why Buhari doesn't want education, Western education for the Northerners, because he knows that the moment the North gain education, I tell you, the North will explode, and they will see his secrets. You understand? So that is why he doesn't want to encourage Western education. You don't want to encourage Western education, but your children are educated. You gave your children the best of education. You gave your children the best in education. And you don't want the North to gain education. You don't want the other people to gain education. Is that not hatred? You see, that is one very bad thing that is not good concerning the Northern leaders. If you watch it very well, you will see that the Northerners that are educated are the ones whose father or parents belong to the top class. The ones whose fathers or parents are politicians. Those ones are the ones that get opportunity to go to school. And when they go to school, they come out and start oppressing the other ones. Oppressing them and taking them like a slave. You see that? So that is what they do. And that is what the President Muhammad Buhari is doing. Look at El-Rufai. That is what El-Rufai is currently doing. They don't want the North to be educated so that they will keep deceiving them. Nigeria is able to see the secret of President Buhari because even Nigerians are even more educated than Buhari and his family. Yeah, very much educated than them. She see that. So he cannot deceive Nigerians. And that is why this video is out to speak to Nigerians and make Nigerians understand the facts. You see that? So we need to sensitize ourselves. We need to enlighten ourselves. We need to tell ourselves the truth. All these things that is happening is not just happening. They are happening because the federal government wants it to happen. They won't say they are not aware. Who in that Aso Rock is an illiterate? Will you say that Osibajo is not educated enough to know the position of this country? To know what this country is going through? Osibajo knows, but it's just that his hands are tight. His hands are tight. I know that there is a limit to his action. I know that there is a limit to whatever he can say or do. There is a limit. I know. But that doesn't stop him from calling the president to order. Because that is why he's called his vice. That is why he's elected as his vice. Osibajo needs to wake up. He needs to wake up. You see, I know the president is very difficult. It is very difficult in terms of welcoming and listening. He's a type that does things by himself. He doesn't want to know you. You understand? He doesn't want to know you. But notwithstanding, the important thing is that you cannot keep fooling the people forever. One day, they will be enlightened and they will know your secret. And after that, you will be exposed. You understand? That is one thing. So whosoever that is doing bad should continue. Should continue. The world is watching. The world are watching. They are watching. They are watching to see the secret of everyone. If you think that the people are not seeing you, you're a joker. They are watching you and they are seeing you. A time will come when you will be exposed. Then you will now see your brake light. My viewers, please, what is your own take on this? What is your own advice? Please, deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.